Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hi, my name is Usman. How are you doing today? So, if you like to learn about how to make money with your Android phone in Nigeria, so please watch this episode till end. And I would like you to subscribe to this channel by clicking on the subscribe button, and please toggle on the notification bell to receive a notification anytime I drop a new episode. So if you've been wondering about how to make money with your Android phone in Nigeria, so this episode is for you. So you make money every day. You can make money every day with your smartphone, with your Android phone, if you know how and the steps to take. So honestly, it is not that difficult to learn how to make money with your mobile phone, especially if you have access to the internet in Nigeria. And if you are watching this episode, so you are connected to the internet already. That means you have an access to the internet. So millions of people in Nigeria are making millions with their Android phone, so and iPhones, especially. So the young people. So the millions I'm talking about are legitimate income, not through scams. So chances are high that you have come across people like this on the like people like this on the roads, so on the bus, on the bus, so at the parks, so and in the restaurant, so glued to their phone screen without paying attention to anyone. So besides them, without paying attention to anyone beside them, so without giving a damn about what is even going on around them. So there is to track and focus on what they are doing. So there are many ways you can make money with your Android phone in Nigeria. To make money online with your Android phone, you can sell a product, so offer a service, so and build a platform, be an agent, build system and position yourself as a middleman on on an already built system. So the number one way of making money on the with your Android phone in Nigeria is to sell internet data bundles. So one of the easiest ways to make money with your Android phone in Nigeria is by selling internet data bundles. So people buy data bundles for their smartphones daily for internet access, and you can make money in Nigeria by selling internet data bundles to these people. So selling data bundles requires no special training. So once you know the reliable secrets website that people use to send and deliver data to people. So you register on the platform, verify your accounts, upgrade to seller or top user, fill your wallet with like 10,000 naira to promote the also online and offline, to sell higher than the platform rate. So and you send it out to the customers, you track it to ensure that the data plans are delivered on time, and you make money doing so. So anyone can sell internet data with an Android phone and make money in Nigeria. So you can sell data to anyone no matter the distance. So and they don't have to see you face to face before buying from you. So if you are ready to start, so if and you need the secret website, you can contact me by sending message to me on WhatsApp. So check the description below. So the number two that you can, the next way that you can make money with your Android phone in Nigeria is by trading, by starting a cryptocurrency exchange service, by providing a cryptocurrency exchange service. So if you have never heard about cryptocurrency before or Bitcoin, I don't think you're on the internet, honestly. So Nigeria is the third country in the world to trade cryptocurrency. So if you see someone glued to their screen, chances are high that the person offers a crypto exchange service says to people. People who trade and use cryptocurrency need platforms, and people who offer exchange service if they want to convert their cryptocurrency to another. So you can offer this service by registering on crypto exchange platforms like Binance, OKX, upgrading your account to merchants, to merchant or a seller. So please advert for buying on P2P. So when a user wants to buy, so let's say USDT, so and it's fine with your buying price, so if you click on the buy button and you'll be notified instantly, you send the money to him. Once it confirms and release the coin, so and releases the coin, so the platform that you are using for exchange has already frozen that amount of coin he is selling. So the platform is aware of the transaction. Should anything go wrong, you can contact customer care support. So once you buy, so then you place advert for selling too. Once there is a buyer, they buy from you, you sell. So you buy low, you sell high. So you keep the difference. So you can do that. You can repeat that in multiple times in a day and make your cool money. So is another way of making money with your Android phone in Nigeria. The number three is managing social media pages for people and businesses. So most micro, small and medium businesses have no time to manage their social media pages themselves. So they are too busy to handle their pages themselves. So you can be making money with your Android phone in Nigeria by providing social media account management services for them. So people make money with their smartphones doing this. So if you know how to manage pages, reach out to small business owners, pitch your service to them. When they accept the offer, you discuss the charges and means of payment. All you need is your Android phone to make money and offer the service. So the number four way of making money with your Android phone in Nigeria is to start a drop shipping business. If you know how to market products online, you can target and reach people, and you have a good supplier or wholesaler that sells a product you like to promote. So you can make a good money with your Android phone by engaging in drop shipping business. This is how it works. You get the pictures of the product you want to promote, get some data about them, and promote them online via your WhatsApp status, Facebook page, so Twitter account, GG account, Facebook and Facebook on Facebook Marketplace. So when someone makes an order for your products, you tell the customer to make the payment. You forward the order and the customer's delivery details to your supplier or wholesalers. You monitor the delivery process to ensure that your customer gets the order on time. So of course, you must sell the products higher than the original price from your wholesalers to make profit. So this is another way of making money with your Android phone in Nigeria. So if you need recommendation if you need recommendation for suppliers, so you can send message to me. So please, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, you can do so now by clicking on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell as well. So you can also start an affiliate marketing also to make money with your Android phone in Nigeria. So starting an affiliate marketing also is a way of making money with your Android phone. So affiliate marketing looks like drop shipping business, but has some differences. So in affiliate marketing, you promote product online with affiliate links unique to your account. So if anyone purchases the product with your link, you get a commission. So every marketing income is a passive one. So you set up the system, promote the product, and get praise. So you may be seeing and you may be seeing yeah, you may be making money, you may be earning while you're on vacation. It doesn't require your physical involvement to deliver a product to the buyers. So stay called expertness, seller, and career offers at the top affiliate marketing platforms in Nigeria. And with your Android phone, you can make millions. So if you want to learn about how to start an affiliate marketing business in Nigeria, so you can check my previous episode on how to start the business. So the number six way of making money with your Android phone in Nigeria. So if you have a large, is to start social media influencing. So if you have a large number of followers on social media pages, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, or any one of them, and you have the patience to build followers, which you can even buy. So social media influencing is for you. So you help businesses, brands, individuals to promote the products and services on your pages. So you give them your service rate and get paid. So top influencers in Nigeria like Pamela Olori, Supergirl, Amojo have made a fortune from this also. So you can start today. Number seven is start virtual assistants also. So There are business employee, self-employed people, business owners, solo founders, lifestyle entrepreneurs, and freelancers who need an assistant to perform some tasks for them. So virtually, so no physical presence. You provide virtual assistant services for them if you know how to. So and make money with your Android phone in Nigeria. It's pretty straightforward. So the number eight way of making money with your Android phone in Nigeria is to start freelance writing. If you have a good writing skills, so you can start freelance writing with your Android phone and make money in Nigeria. So freelance writing involves taking writing assignments from people, so and delivering them on time. So you can create content for blogs, write for social media pages, create email marketing content for clients. So this is another way of making money with your Android phone in Nigeria. The another way, the number nine is to sell a product online. So selling products online is a good business. So the e-commerce giants like Konga, Jumia delivers a thousand of orders daily to customer because people buy things online. Think of the regular physical market. So e-commerce platforms are the virtual ones. So you can simply start selling anything online and make money with your Android phone in Nigeria. You can sell gadgets and accessories, wearables, perfumes, supplements, and cosmetics. So all can be done on your smartphone. So the final way of making money with your Android phone in Nigeria is to start a crypto arbitrage. So please, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, you can do so by clicking on the subscribe button and toggle on the notification bell to receive notification anytime I drop new episodes. So crypto arbitrage involves checking exchange rate of USDT on different platforms to discover price differences. So you buy from the ones with low rates to resell higher on another platform within a short period of time. So smartness is required to make money with your Android phone in Nigeria with this also. So you have to know numbers and you can do basic arithmetic appropriately fast. I mean quickly. So if you are smart enough, you will make serious money with this also. So there is no magic in making money with your Android phone in Nigeria. So learn the basics. So follow things up and track your progress. If you pick any of these also, internet data bundles, affiliate marketing, selling online, dropshipping business, cryptocurrency exchange, crypto arbitrage, freelance writing, social media influence, and virtual assistance also. So making money is guaranteed with your Android phone. So do you have suggestion or contrary opinion? Maybe you have experience in any of the aforementioned uses or ways of making money with your Android phone in Nigeria. You can leave comments below. If you want to reach out to me privately, you can simply send me a message, send a mail to me via my email or my email address. So you can also visit www.starthustlenow.com to read more about business ideas and side hustle. So till next time again, my name is Usman. Bye.